Saturday is going to be a big day. American officials will sit down with Iranians and directly discuss the business at hand, the Iranian nuclear deal. Now, the meeting will be hosted by Oman, but who all will be participating from both the sides is not known yet. However, if the negotiations fail, the United States has a plan B ready to strike the Iran nuclear sites. Now, Iran's nuclear program has long been shrouded in secrecy, with facilities built deep underground to protect them from airstrikes and other attacks. Iran insists that its nuclear activities are entirely peaceful, but reports say that it has stockpiled enough enriched uranium to make several bombs. However, the US military officials believe that they have the right tools to strike at the heart of these fortified sites: bunker buster bombs. Now, these bombs are designed to penetrate hardened targets, including deep underground bunkers, before exploding inside. The US Air Force has an array of these bombs, such as the GBU-57AB Massive Ordnance Penetrator. Now, the MOP is one of the most sophisticated bunker-busting weapons in the world. It weighs around 30,000 pounds and it is designed to punch through up to 200 feet of reinforced concrete. Its precision and the ability to reach deep underground sites make it an effective tool in disrupting Iran's nuclear facilities, especially those hardened against conventional attacks. Now, delivered by B-2 stealth bombers, these bombs would be launched from high altitudes, allowing the aircraft to avoid most air defense systems, and the US has already deployed at least 6 B-2 stealth bombers to Diego Garcia, a crucial base in the Indian Ocean. The B-2, known for its stealth capabilities, could fly undetected into Iranian airspace and drop the MOP directly on the target. The aircraft can reach a target anywhere in the world and return to base, and can also be refueled mid-air. Now, the US has already identified several key sites in Iran which are believed to house nuclear materials or research facilities. You see, Iran's nuclear program is spread over many locations across the country. A complex at the heart of Iran's enrichment program is Natanz. Now, Natanz houses facilities including 2 enrichment plants: the vast underground fuel enrichment plant (FEP) and the above-ground pilot fuel enrichment plant (PFEP). Then there's Bushehr. It is Iran's only operating nuclear power plant located on the Gulf Coast, which uses Russian oil. Then there's Fordow, which is an enrichment site dug into a mountain, and this is the only one which is better protected from others from potential bombardment. Then Iran also has a large nuclear technology center located on the outskirts of Isfahan, its second largest city. It also has partially built heavy water research reactor called as Fordow. Now, this can easily produce plutonium, which is also risky as it can be used to make the core of an atom bomb, just like enriched uranium. Now, the country's nuclear facilities also include a research center in Tehran along with a research reactor. And as I mentioned before, most of these sites are either located deep within mountains or in heavily fortified areas, thus making traditional bombing techniques ineffective. But bunker busters offer a solution here, and this is due to the mechanism through which they work. Once the bomb reaches its target, the explosion is catastrophic. The shockwave travels through the underground complex, destroying not only the structure but also any equipment or materials stored inside. So thus, by targeting these facilities directly using bunker busters, the US can set back Iran's nuclear development by years, if not decades. But this does not come without any risks. There's always the potential for collateral damage, both regionally and diplomatically. The use of such weapons would undoubtedly escalate tensions in the region, and in this high-stakes game of military strategy, the question is, will the US use its powerful bunker busters to dismantle Iran's nuclear ambitions, or will diplomacy prevail? Now, in this high-stakes game of military strategy, the question is, will the US use its powerful bunker busters to dismantle Iran's nuclear ambitions, or will diplomacy prevail? That remains to be seen. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, Ishita Mitra. Stay tuned to India Today Global, where we simplify geopolitics for you.